if you want to share out your FigJam files with others, then what you can do is you can click on the share button. So once you do that, what happens is that this opens up, and here what you can do is you can type in email address of those who you want to share out your FigJam file with, and you can choose the permission level over here as well. So if you were to move this into a project, then you can see the other permission level as well, but in my case it is saved as draft, so it is set to view only. So if you were to click on send invite, the other person will be sent invite. So if I were to go around right here, type in, let's say for example, an email address right here, just like this, and you can click on send invite, and what happens is the other person will be invited out. Similarly, what you can do is you can copy out links right here, so you can go around and paste this out into a web browser, and you can also send this out in chats and so forth, so that if they were to access out this web address from a browser, they will be able to view this out as well. So once you go around into share, you can see you can copy the link out as well. You can also get embedded code right here. So if you want to embed out your code in a certain web base of your choice and so forth, then you can go around and embed out this code as well. And that is how you can share out your FigJam file with others. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.